Well, hey guys, and welcome back to Kids View Toys. We have a fun video today. We have a basket full of different fruits and vegetables with the Velcro. So we're going to cut all these using our little plastic knife and cutting board. Okay, so let's cut all of these up. Okay, so our first thing we're going to cut is this potato. So here's our potato. We're going to cut that. And there we have our potato. Next we have our persimmon. Let's cut this. We have a cantaloupe. A watermelon. Here we have a pomegranate. Next we have a chili pepper. And we have a mushroom. Mushroom. Here is a tomato. Tomato. Here's a green bell pepper. Pumpkin. Pear. Pear. Kiwi. Kiwi. I think this is a mango. Mango. Onion. Orange. Orange. Grapes. Grapes. Egg. Egg. Banana. banana, peach, peach. Okay, and I think this is what we call a quince. Maybe a guava, I'm not really sure. Okay guys, so there you have it. There's a huge basket of cut fruits and vegetables in our Shopkins basket. I hope you had as much fun as I did with these fruits and vegetables today. And we'll see you next time.